Hi everyone, my name is Carter from ianaiERP Systems, and welcome back to our series of user guides. Today we're going to walk through inventory adjustment, and I'll guide you step by step so you can see exactly how this works in your all-in-one ERP solution. Inventory adjustments are used to increase or decrease item quantities and cost basis in ianaiERP to reconcile differences between physical stock and system records. Such differences may stem from spoilage, theft, loss, or receiving errors. Be careful. Use adjustments sparingly. First, review the item's transaction history, check for incorrect or missing transactions, and only if the mismatch persists should you post an adjustment. Users such as admin or common users can access the adjustment in the inventory pane. So if you click the adjustment here, you'll be able to see the adjustment panel on the dashboard. Just like any other columns that we use our list view. So we have document number, date and time, notes, and location. So let's try to add the adjustment history into our system. So simply click the add new here, and you'll be able to see the panel coming up as a new window. In here, the items are date and time, so we know when you made an adjustment number that are automatically generated, and the adjustment account, so which account do you want this adjustment to go, and the location. And in the items, you'll be able to choose which item that you want to make adjustment from, and a description of it, on-hand quantity, new quantity, quantity difference, and value difference. So we'll go by this one by one. If you have already watched the previous video, I had already made an item called a cup. So we're going to use this cup attribute to make an adjustment. So if you click it, if you see, we currently have 10 cups in inventory, but let's make this that we have 100 cups upon checking the inventory. So let's create, then go to location, and we had put that cup into the coffee stand. And then if you go to item here, you'll be able to see a cup, right? And it's a standard cup that is 200 milliliters. And before, because we enabled our lot tracking, now you're able to see which lot that it makes an adjustment from. So if you click the lot cup 001, we're making an inventory adjustment in the lot of lot CUP001, and this item cup will be adjusted. So as you can see, while we're preparing, we have on hand of 10, so that means that we have 10 cups on hand. But now we have received, let's say for example, 190 more cups, which meaning that we have now 200 cups in total. Meaning that the quantity difference is now 190, and the value difference came out to 1900 because, let me actually save and close, and then go back to our cup. And then we set our basic, value to be 100, I believe. Let me see. I think we have. Yeah, let's go to stock history. Yep, as you can see, a cup was created with the unit cost of 10. Cost basis was 100, with the quantity in hand was 10. But now we made an adjustment, right, through our record. And then we made a quantity change of 190, which now is in hand of 200. And because the unit cost was 10 and we had 190 unit change, the cost basis increased of 1900. So if you go to adjustment again and click the adjustment number 3, now you're able to see the value difference that's matching on the system. Again, the adjustment features needs to be used carefully because this is a function that allows you to switch the inventory because in-life warehouse inventory was not matching with the ones that was registered to the system. So if you remember to use this sparingly to make sure that data integrity in place, I am sure that we are in good hands. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.